Let's begin by setting up the background. Go to Settings greater than Background, select the Preset option, and choose the type that suits your style. Then, adjust the colors accordingly. Next, select the Parallax effect and fine-tune its sensitivity. When stretched to the full width of the screen, the background will automatically adapt. Add a box, change its color, and set the border radius to its maximum so that it forms a perfect circle. Any part of the box that extends beyond the slide will not be visible. Insert some text, edit it, and place it inside the box. Add a button, choose the text color, and attach a social media icon. Then remove the default text, eliminate the background color, and adjust its size. Set up the hover colors and add a link. Use the keyboard shortcuts, Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V, to copy the social media element, then swap out the icons and links as needed. Finally, configure the entrance and exit animations. Remember, if your elements are grouped within a box, the animation applies to the box, and all its content will animate together. Slide 1 is now ready. Duplicate Slide 1 and remove any unnecessary elements. Add a photograph and using the toolbar, set the desired dimensions. Adjust the composition of the photo in the crop window. Add a border and round the corners. Then, immediately apply entrance and exit animations. Copy the image element using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V, and then change the photos via the Change setting. For the second photo, apply maximum border rounding. Add a button and customize its design. Adjust the animation on the second photo and add an animation to the button. Finally, verify the animation sequence. Slide 2 is complete. Duplicate Slide 2, but keep only one photograph and the button. Adjust the size using the toolbar and center the elements. Change the border size and replace the photograph. Use the crop window to modify the photo's composition. Update the button text and configure its animation. Your text slider layout is almost ready. Go to Settings greater than Navigation. Enable the arrow option, modify its style, and customize its design. Then add dots and adjust their appearance as desired. Switch to Mobile View. You can change the template's height to your preferred size, then save your changes. Return to the slide editor and click on the mobile icon. Adjust the size of the box, the text, and the buttons. You can select all icons at once by holding Shift to resize them simultaneously. Align the composition. Adaptive layout for slide 1 is ready. In mobile editor mode, use the toolbar to adjust the size and position of the photograph so that it is centered on the slide. Modify the border size and adjust the border radius. Repeat these steps for the other photographs. Adapt the button by aligning it with the photos and increasing the text size. Slide 2 is now set. Using the toolbar, adjust the photograph size and center it on the slide. Edit the border size and configure the button accordingly. Your adaptive text slider is complete. This template seamlessly adapts to full screen mode and will beautifully enhance your website.